I transformed my photos. Do you want to try it? Touch here to start.
System demo lang po.
Scan the QR code to view the
Face
photo.
swap. Ito po yung attract mode natin.
I transformed my photos. Do you want to try it? Touch here to start.
Yan yung first screen na makikita ng mga guests natin. And then start ko po
Please select an AI model.
So ito na po yung face swap selection natin. So testing po natin. Kunyari ito yung pinili ko. Ito na lang. Ito. Ito. Sige, ito na lang.
Scanning your facial features.
Then start ko po
3, 2, 1. The mirror is
Kaya magpa-process na po.
AI photo. Please wait.
10 seconds up to a minute po yung processing niya. Depende po sa internet connection. Ayan, natapos na po yung processing niya. And then done ko po.
The mirror is printing your photo. Scan the QR code to view the photo gallery.